So you clicked on today's video because you're looking to get funded. You're looking to scale up your trading account, but you want to learn how. Stay through to the end of this video and you might just learn exactly that. What's up everybody, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be sharing with you some of the success that traders using the ASFX strategies have found in pursuit of getting funded. Not just getting funded, but staying funded. That's a big piece of this. So before we jump in, if you're new, my name is Austin Silver. I'm a little stuffy today as it's getting warmer out in Florida now. The flowers are coming back and my allergies are kicking in. But we're here, we're making it happen, and I really appreciate you being here with me. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. If you enjoyed today's video, you know the deal, give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference to help spread my videos to other traders who might be in the same position that you're in, looking to get better. So you're only helping here. First thing you're gonna see, I wanna show you, this is my certificate with my Forex funds. I got this last December, just showing you that I've got skin in the game. I've got stake in this. I am actively trading and I'm actively funded with my Forex funds. I also wanna show you James. Most of you know James. He's one of the coaches at ASFX who I work with very often. He's been funded with both FTMO and my Forex funds. Now, before we go any further, you can see James has been funded since June of 2021. That's a long time. And we're going to talk about how he's been able to do that. But before we do, I want to make it very clear. I'm not endorsing FTMO or my Forex funds. I don't get paid by either of those companies to talk about them. I'm just sharing the truth, what I'm actually doing, what James is doing, what traders in our group are actually doing. So there's no endorsements here. I want you to do your own research before you go with one of these funding companies. Before you even attempt to do it, I want you to really look into it for yourself. I'm just sharing our experience to hopefully shortcut your learning curve in the process. So like I said, James has been funded since June of 2021. James has been working with me since probably 2020, maybe even 2019. So it's good to see someone like James, who's been working closely with me, be able to get funded and stay funded. Now I want to show you some newer traders in ASFX who have been using the strategies that we teach in our courses, like I said, to pass these challenges. Now, some of the companies, the challenge is 8% in the first 30 days and then 5% in the next 60 days, or maybe it's 10% in the first 30 days, whatever it may be. They need you to be a little bit more aggressive on the front end and then stay consistent on the back end. It is really easy to say, but it's shown in the statistics that they've put out how difficult that is for traders to do. Now, I still have my funded account with them. I'm going into my third month. And like I said earlier, I post videos every month or so going over that live account, showing the trade, showing the P&L. So make sure you go check that out. I'll keep doing that as long as I'm trading with them. I'm in the process of trying to scale up to 300K with them. So Laura, right here, I want to show you in our Discord, letting the members know that she just passed phase 1. Laura specifically was using, I believe, she'll correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, the A1 strategy. That's what we teach in our beginner course. We teach the D1 and the D2 strategies in our advanced course. Together, it's called the ASFX Starter Pack when you get them both. That's what most people are taking when they join ASFX. It gives you the courses and access to the VIP Discord, everything you need to really master the systems. You can see here, Mateu also was funded with FTMO. He just got funded on February 4th, which was not too long ago. Here, Mukhtar, he's funded as of January 22nd, so almost a month ago, which is pretty awesome to see. Dan, been funded here with Top Tier, I believe is the name of this company, Top Tier Trader. I'm not too familiar with them, but another company out there. Here, Rushir funded as of December 6th of 2021. Here, Josh just getting funded at the end of January. Love that. Or excuse me, end of January, so about a month ago. And then last but not least, I want to put Tom here. Tom has been not only trading ASFX, but trading in the Blackshirt Club, which is our private mentorship group. Here's his P&L since joining the Blackshirt Club. He was up about 3.4% for the year, and then ended up pushing through to be up about 23% as of the time of taking this picture, about 140 trades into his trading career, trading live. So you can see, very choppy here at the beginning, but as time went on, he was able to work with us in the professional environment of the Blackshirt Club to really hone in on what he was doing well and focusing on that and dropping the rest. Anything that he wasn't doing well, we had him just stop doing completely. And that made a big difference. You can see it here in his equity curve. And again, here, this is Tom's certificate of being funded. So Tom is working on his funded account right now. And I'm going to link any of the people that I mentioned here, like Tom specifically. I'll put his YouTube and his Twitter down below and Instagram so you guys can go follow him and follow his journey within the ASFX system. Because I know a lot of you guys might have seen my videos before and you're like, okay, Austin's talking about education courses courses. I know he sells the courses and I know they got a group, but like, what is that actually producing for people? Because so many people try to get into trading, but they can't make it long term. I'm showing you the statistics here that we've got a lot of people in ASFX that are doing really well, and they're able to translate that trading into getting funded. Because think about it. We could have great traders in ASFX that are not making 8% in a month. You can be up 4% in a month and still be having a great year. The fact that you can't hit that 8% target doesn't make you a bad trader, is my point. So we have a lot of traders finding success in ASFX, and now you're starting to see we have more and more people getting funded, which is then learning not how to just be a good trader, but how to be aggressive when you need to be aggressive to get that 8% profit target. Because one of the most common questions that you guys ask me is, how do you hit that profit target? Like, how did I get funded with the 100K? What was I using as far as my risk? Like, how much size was I putting on the trades? Most of the trades were less than 0.5% risk, but when we would have trades that were hot, we would be adding and getting up to 1% risk at points. Now, when you're at 1% risk and you can make 3 to 1, that's going to put 3% right into your account. If you only got to make 8%, you don't have to do that too many times to pass the challenge. Of course, you're going to take losses. That's why we piece ourselves in and piece ourselves out. And that's all the information that I teach in the course. The risk management, the entry signals, everything that I do is explained in the starter pack. So I'm going to put a link to that in the description. You guys should definitely check that out. If you're looking to get funded, if you're looking to move in a direction of more consistency in your trading with rules, I would call it a rules-based approach, where you know what you should look for, you know how to grade the trade, that tells you how much size to put on it, you know what candle formation or what price needs to do for you to take an entry, you know where your stop loss should go, you know where your take profit potential is. All of that is explained in the courses, and that's why I wanted to make this video, just to show you guys, hey, if you want to get funded, you need a system, you need education, you need a proven plan to go try to hit this goal, because it's not easy. It's doable, as you just saw here in today's video, but it's not easy. It starts with a system, though, and that's why I'm going to keep pushing that to you guys. So I appreciate your time for the short video. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, drop a comment, wish these people some success, some good luck, and I will see you guys in the next video. And hopefully, if you're not in ASFX, I'll see you in our Discord chat soon.